Hey, hello everyone. I'm sharing with you my 2013 basement renovation project. It all started when I changed the locks after parting ways with something that was no longer healthy. My son and his friend came and made a guest appearance and helped me dramatically remove the wood panels, the wood framing, and I had my friend come in and cap the baseboard, so we did demo on that. Once that was removed, I removed the old hi hats. They weren't too healthy. I removed devices, and I relocated items that I wanted, as far as the layout being different. Once I did the demo, it was time to chop the floor up. So I had flagstone in there, rented a gun from Home Depot, spent the money on the insurance, baby, because I sent back the gun. It was pissing grease. Money well spent, if I do say so myself. Then my sons came in, made a guest appearance, and helped me clean up the mess that I made from chopping and trying to flatten it out as much as possible. So once everything was bagged up, cleaned up, then my tile person came in, leveled the floor, and then installed the tile, then put a nice little protective paper over the top. So once that happened, then I brought in my metal studs and I started framing, taking my time, making sure they're nice and level and perfect, nice and secure, tight, and everything is, 16 on center. And once I wrapped up with the metal studs, I did have to box out some plumbing, so I had built a little soffit. Once I was completely demo and everything, anything I had that I wanted relocated, I roughed it in. I roughed in new electrical. My new hi hats were roughed in. Everything was wired and thrown into junction boxes. Once I did that, then we moved on to installing insulation. I wanted to make sure it retained the heat well because that room was traditionally cold. Once we finished I finished the insulation. Nobody was helping me on that one. I started sheetrocking. My son showed up maybe one or two times. Well, I think it was one time. I taught him how to sheetrock. I got a photo op. Once I finished rocking, I was doing the ceiling solo. I built a sheetrock buddy. I called it Juan Carlos Santana. I built it with a folding chair and some metal studs. Built it to where it was about half-inch below the ceiling. And then I started installing that, finished that up. And then I called in my taper buddy who said I had really nice tight seams, that he was very proud of that. Of course, I wasn't doing the mad dash. I was taking my time to make sure everything, measure twice, cut once. Once he finished up with that, it was cleanup and then painting. Then any devices that weren't installed were installed, and put on some finished plates after I painted, cleaned it up, and put the furniture in. And then voila, that was the space. So I hope you appreciated it. If you have any questions, let me know. At some point, I'll do another tutorial on another project.